cannot believe where I'm at. I'm in Idaho to get a GFC camper on our 85 4Runner. This should be fun. Coffee?
Yeah.
Hot cocoa?
Yeah, passion before desire. I've been away trying to build a wheel up this life require. Slowly letting go to regain control. It's like ice to tires.
Guys, it is Tuesday morning. We got to Montana yesterday, stayed in Idaho first. One of the things I'm most excited about with this 85 4Runner is we're basically bringing old to new. We just got a fresh coat of paint on it. GFC camper is one of like the best, as we all know. It's gonna be so much fun documenting these adventures with the fam. Excited to show y'all.
Entertainment. I see dollar signs and it get me stimulated. I never fall in line.
We are at Go Fast Camper in Manhattan, Montana. The camper is currently on the crane and it's super dope in here. Everything in here is a photo op. It's beautiful. 4Runner going underneath. So here we go.
Thank the Messiah, my shoulders heavy, my thoughts inspire. The shots been fired, you cross the line and all love expires. I'm at that age where my peace of mind worth your life and I wouldn't think twice about hella higher. My mind a million places, a million on my mind. This ain't purely entertainment, I see dollar signs.
What do you think, babe?
It looks amazing. It looks perfect.
She's a beauty.
I found these replacement ones for $4 on Etsy.
Really? Okay, remember that. Get these on Etsy. I was gonna redo that one, but $4 on Etsy, can't beat that.
You got this little cover here. I'm just gonna pull that back. There's a little shelf right here. Close. I'm just gonna press on the keyway until it clicks.
Okay.
Okay. All our latches are exactly the same. Right? Just put a little roll on that thing. Yeah.
Lighting.
Yes, sir. So we do have some adjusters on our latches here. So over time, those seals may compress some, and you may not get as much gusto out of the latches you're used to. So you can play with that adjuster, and then a little bit of graphite or silicone lubricant in that latch.
Yep.
And that spring will also help a lot.
Okay.
Just fight that dust. You have a lighting kit in here, obviously. That has a few different modes, right? So we got white, we got red,
Oh, look at that.
and we got pink.
Dope.
The red is super good for bugs. Keeps them off of you, and then you know, in the morning, if you're doing any hunting at all, hookups for your brake light here, right? And that is for this guy
Got it.
there. Okay, so you got a few different modes. You have two controllers, right? So you have this controller down here. You have another one that's up inside the tent. Those are independent of each other, but they do share a power source.
Got it.
At this moment, I've got it hooked to this little Renogy battery here.
Got it. Oh, okay. So I could just plug it into like a jackery or whatever.
Correct.
Yeah.
Anything with a 12-volt
Okay.
is gonna run these lights. Awesome. So when we open it, I'll pull on this spring pin here, pull that latch back towards me. I'll just give it a little push.
Oh, that looks good.
I'm gonna close up the back here, and then let's take some photos.
Yeah.
Well, installed and she's comfortable. I love the green and the orange. Cannot wait to start adventuring in this with the fam.
Really dialed, but it weird keys. It didn't even have a
So guys, we made it back to Utah. That was a fun trip. We got a lot of adventuring to do with this fatty and much more to come with the 85 Yoda. Thank you to Go Fast Campers. This is a lot of fun. This is not the end, only the beginning. That was kind of cheesy. Well anyways, guys, thanks for watching.